We shall now hear a message from our Regional Director, DFE10, FAR Chief Superintendent Romel C. Garfield. Sir.
To my Assistant Regional Director po at Administration, si Superintendent Carol, my Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Senior Superintendent Wilferte, other Senior Commission Officers, Senior Commission Officers, and Non-Commission Officers. Good afternoon. So every time we gather for a change of command, I am reminded of a simple yet profound truth. The days feel long, but the years are short. It's a paradox many of us come to understand over time. The hours can stretch endlessly when we're caught in a grind of daily routines. Yet when we look back, the months and years seem to have flown by. So this ceremony isn't just a formality or a tradition we uphold. It's a necessary and meaningful moment. It marks a transition, passing of the torch, as some of our seasoned officers prepare to assume new responsibilities. So, in this service, we will not have a perpetual positions. We may have another responsibility is to take the time in order to own us as well as to fit ang skills well. So to those stepping into new roles, the path ahead may be filled with long days, demanding schedules, and great responsibility. So for sure, yung lalo dito sa region ay expect ng stretch talaga itong mga effort as well as mga talents na gamit. I expect yun because we have so many programs and activities na naka-line and hopefully we'll be successful among my neighbors. But we already started our my trust in Region 10 to present our bureau to the public na hindi lang ito ang sunog, but pwede rin sa rescue, we have other services, EMS as well. So ito yung paraan how we will kumbaga sa salesman para ibinta ang ating bureau. Which that's my responsibility as your regional director, as well as some of our activities will hone skills. Kasi hindi po pwedeng hindi mo i-practice. That's the reason na by August we have another event na maaaring talagang we need you more of your talents, we need more of your time. And I'm sure hindi kayo mabuburing rin sa region sa mga incoming na mga activities. Kaya napagod na si Arto. Kasi siya parate. Kasi po more sa operations. But this May, we will also start the process ng recruitment. So, we're just awaiting for the final announcement of the actual workers. But for sure, ARCA will be busy also. So itong dalawang ito ang magtitimon sa dalawang major activities ng region. And this kind of activity also ay kaya ginagawa natin ito para to arrange, to put the right person for a right job. In that manner ay maaari tayong maging mas effective pa sa ating pag-render na services. there is already our program also. Kanina, napag-usapan namin about sa investigation. And maybe the talents and the skills of Major Olmedo will be a very useful tool in developing our investigators. Because investigation will not only end when you will have your final investigation report, but by the time na ito ay deliberate acts or ito ay intentional fires, then hindi ka mag-stop doon. You have to proceed to other phases ng inyong trabaho as investigator. And that's the reason that we will have some programs that will enhance our investigators or train new investigators. Because we know for a fact that pagdating sa station, pagka na-reassign ang inyong investigador, ang hipi maghanap agad, sinong criminology dito? Yan ang pinaka-benchmark niya, criminology. Ikaw, criminology, ikaw na investigador. So, but sometimes we fail to equip them with the necessary knowledge and skills in investigation. I remember nung time na bago din yan ito na report sa Tuwan. So, may investigation na wala matapos-tapos, naka-third dati, parang na-tracer. First tracer, second tracer. Ang basta di ka mag-comply na may different mga tracers. So, kung tarang ang investigador, lalo kung nagpapag-perfect niya na punta ng pagiging investigator. Parehas kami, kasi at that time, ang akong investigation knowledge ay police investigation because of sa PNP, I were taught on more on sa police investigation. Walang nagturo sa amin that time ng arson investigation. Kung sa fire code, walang problema kasi si Colonel Kahip yung nagtuturo ng fire code, yung the working fire code. But doon nagkulang. And so, self-taught natapos naman ang lupo. And that gives me the urge to study more about investigation, to internalize how we conduct investigation. And good for me, dahil kung hindi ko naranasan yun, ay maaaring mga napakulalo when I was assigned as the director na chief ng Interagency Anti-Arson Task Force. So more on investigation tuloy. But that's a very good, very nice na assignment. Though nagulat ako noon kasi iba't si National Interagency body under the Office of the DIG. So ganun ang kung hindi ka prepare, maaaring mahihirapan pagdating na sa mga aktual na mga scenarios. So, we have so many experiences sa investigation during my time sa Anti-Arson Task Force. Because I was assigned there twice. So, una, nalipat ako sa LFTI as commandant yung PLD training ko 199. And then balik ulit sa task force. So, ingana akong buhay sa ano. So, that's the reason that this is now the time to equip our personnel on the knowledge and skills on investigation up to the preparations of mga paperwork for the court. So, siguro dyan ay mapapakinabangan at makikita na kita parati. Ngayon nakita na kita first time. So, sa mga nalagay din sa mga stations, this is your opportunity to hand the station also. Sa case ni Nacario ay from different state, from one station to another station, which another environment. Ang isa naman ay deputy to ikaw na ngayon ang boss. The one who will decide, the one who will program everything para gumana to the stations. And, kailangan si Charles, kailangan mga angels, so kailangan ko dalawang angels na dito. That's why nandito kayo sa momentum. Nakatuwang ko for the advancement of the Bureau of Protection. So, I hope na this ceremony will not stay as a ceremony but also a challenge sa bawat isa sa inyo to do good, look good, and feel good para mas ma-profile natin ang pagtaas ng atong Bureau of Protection Recruitment. For that, congratulations sa mga bagong assign. Congratulations sa lahat and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, sir, for this encouraging message and reminders worth